Right, so we'll start off with comfort first, then straight to Sport Plus. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. So as you can tell from the title, I have downpiped the M140i. This modification is a must on these actually. It's completely transformed the car. It's sick. So I'm going to show you how it starts, cold start, different, so like Eco. I'll start with comfort, sport and sport plus, see kind of how the pops and bangs sound like. It's quite nice actually, it does burble very nicely and is definitely more responsive. So we'll give cold start a go and go from there. Right, so we'll start in sport plus because we want to get the most out of it. So listen to this. I believe that's valves open. It's quite loud. And then after a while it turns down after about 5 seconds, which is pretty sick. So I don't have to think about deleting the cold start. I'll wait out a little bit as well. Right, so after about, I'd say about 40 seconds, now it's calming down. Look how quiet it is. It's still quieting down. Absolutely dead silent. It's unreal. Oh, there you go. Dead. That is so quiet. So you would never know it's got a downpipe without actually cold starting it. It's crazy. So what we're going to do now, we're going to test how it sounds from the back. So we're going to try comfort first. Yeah, so we'll try comfort first. And then we'll go from sport and then sport plus. Actually no, we'll go from comfort to sport plus because I don't really want to waste time. It's a bit pointless just going from sport. Sports does the same bloody thing. Let's do it. Right, so we'll start off, can you see me? Right, so we'll start off with comfort first, then straight to sport plus. So this is comfort. Now we're going to try sport plus. I'll be honest, absolute no difference at all. There's a slight difference with the valves open, but not much. But to be honest with you, you can tell more from the driving actually. So we'll get onto the driving bit and finish the vlog off. But to be fair, it does sound quite nice. It just needs that antisocial character now, which we'll be doing very, very soon. So stay tuned. So yeah, let's get to the driving bit and finish the vlog off. Right, so this is where it gets interesting. So so sport plus. Okay, so sport plus. Oh, maybe traction's off a bit too much. Right, so the driving part. So slam the gearbox in sport. Can you hear that? The rumbles. So if you put it in neutral, not that bad. It does need a bit more pops and bangs, needs a bit more antisocial, but yeah, you can tell the difference. So the first obviously thing with the downpipe you realise is the noise. Okay, now the first thing I noticed is the massive difference in terms of the paddle shift bangs, if you want to call it. When you change gear, it goes bang. You can hear that a little bit more, or I'm probably just hearing things I don't know, but it's definitely emphasised the noise massively. Can you hear those pops and bangs? No, you can't. Oh man. Right, so the noise has made a big difference. The pops and bangs, it's made quite a big difference, of course. I am planning on taking one of the resonators out because it's quite loud. It's not a 4-pot engine, it's an inline 6, so it's going to be louder. Actually no, I might take that back actually. Now, one thing, like I said before, I like the noise of the gear change. It does actually make quite a big difference, but that's a whole different level talking about the responsiveness of the car now, completely changed. You can tell, you can definitely tell the engine's happier, it sounds healthier, it's not restricted by anything. Yeah, it's got the 2 resonators in the back box and all that good stuff, but we want to keep it, we want to do this one a little bit different. So the downpipe is in, it's a 4.5 inch downpipe, so it's pretty big. Installing it was easy, actually, it didn't take very long. But yeah, I'm pretty happy actually. The sound test was great. Not much, I don't know if video can, I mean, oh, I love those burbles. I'm not sure if you can tell. So you can hear that massive bang when it changes gear. That's exactly what I wanted. The downpipe has made quite a big difference to the car. I think now it can actually, I'm convinced on the dyno it'll be 430 brake. There is no sort of doubt to it. I mean, the responsiveness. Fucking hell, mate. This car is no slouch at all. And the downpipes made a very big difference. And I'm not sure if you can hear the burbles, but I'm gonna finish talking now and I'm gonna put this camera at the back of the car and we shall go from there.